Welcome everybody. Today's a great day. Today's the day that White Castle arrives in Florida. It's been a long time coming. I mean, before today, you had to go all the way to Tennessee. That's the nearest one. And I'm from up north, New Jersey. So every time I go visit my family, it's something that I look forward to trying. And like if you come back home, you know, everyone always wants you to bring them some because it doesn't compare to the frozen ones, honestly. These tiny sliders are just so good, and the fries, and you just gotta try it if you haven't tried it. I mean, they have a whole movie based off of this. So this is the front entrance of the White Castle. There's a patio outside that accommodates more guests, and I'm assuming it will be full as well as inside. It is packed in there. You guys cannot tell from here, but there are a lot of people inside. Here is where they will be cutting the ribbon to mark the grand opening of White Castle. If I had to guess, that is a confetti blast contraption, I think. And that would make sense because this looks like a very big event.
Thank you for joining us for this historic moment. We are getting close to launching our official festivities. We have crowds gathering from far and wide. Welcome. Let's hear from our cravers out there. You have waited patiently, some of you since 8 p.m. last evening in our parking lot for this moment to be here right now. I would like to introduce the Honorable Orange County Mayor, Jerry Demings.
This is indeed an exciting day here in Orange County for all of us. I believe it was back in November we did the initial groundbreaking here. And I had the opportunity to partake of a few White Castle sandwiches at that time. This morning I saw a line of cars backed up waiting to get in here.
We are so excited to be here and so happy that you came out to welcome us with this new White Castle. You guys have absolutely shown up and shown that this was a great idea, and we're so excited to have you here and to be able to serve burgers.
This is symbolic of all the magical, memorable moments we've made over the years. If I could ask Jamie and Drew to come forward, because we have another person who has shown quite a bit of dedication to this specific location, and that individual is Harry Blackledge. Harry, could you please come forward? Harry started the Bring White Castle to Florida Facebook page, and as a result, folks, we're here.
3, 2, 1.
Media is being allowed inside to record all of the customers coming in. So it's our first time going inside Orlando White Castle.
Come around this side to get the first order shot.
First order is complete. We are watching the first burger being made. Let's try not to get in the way.
Harry?
Let's work our way around the store, give you guys a quick tour of the interior. These sliders going out. We got our first customers. So over here we have the kiosk where you can place your orders. We got more tables back here. There's more tables over here. You got the booths over here with outlets. Here we have the ribbon. Here we have some White Castle masks. So here they have the Orlando themed shirt, the regular White Castle shirt, a ball cap, tumbler, sunglasses, and even a backpack. Here's the mayor having a bite of some White Castle slider. Kind of weird, all the cameras just looking at him eating, including mine. Let's get some action on this side of the grill where they're preparing the onions, the buns, and on the other side they've got the patties, and they're building the slider over there. I'm from Miami, and I want to know if there's any plans for a White Castle in Miami.
I'm not aware of any plans for White Castle Miami yet.
There is insane demand. I just want to let you know that.
Yeah.
I live over there, so it would be greatly appreciated.
Well, let's
but
keep
I will
our
be
fingers
driving
crossed.
up for this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Thank you.
Large?
Thank you. Just got our White Castle complimentary shirt with White Castle Orlando on front and on the back. Opening day, Craver 2021. The confetti has made its way inside the store. Alright, so while we have some time to talk, currently waiting on my girlfriend. She's in line, she's a trooper. I'm in here, I can't obviously cut and get my own sliders, but this is the largest White Castle in the world, and I overheard some customers saying that it's well worth the wait. Some people have been in line since 8 p.m. last night, and from what I heard, it was worth the wait, so I don't blame them. This is a really good place to eat. This is the line outside White Castle right now. A lot longer earlier. We are almost inside. Decided to hop back in line after a nice tour inside. Yeah, there you go. So just drop it to. Let's do this one. Add ketchup.
You don't want pickles, right?
That's fine. Leave everything in it.
Only ketchup?
Yeah. French fries, or do you want?
Yeah, good French fries.
Okay.
You want to share?
Yeah. Add to the side. And they have desserts, fudge dip brownie, cheesecake, birthday cake. Sounds good. We'll share that because I'm not gonna eat all that. I saw them put up a sign earlier with the estimated wait time, and it was 60 minutes at some point. This has to be at least 2 hours if you're just now pulling up for the drive-thru. The line is really long, as you guys can see from above. So we got the menu out here in the drive-thru, and as you can see, they have different types of combos for cheese sliders, double cheese, crispy chicken. They also have fish, and the individual sliders are apparently cheese sliders $1.02. They have crispy chicken sliders. They've got meals you can share, which I recommend getting the case. Comes with 30, but you run through them really quick. And then you have sides over here, beverages, the Coke Freestyle machine, smoothies, milkshakes, bottled water. We finally got it. After so many hours of waiting, you did most of the waiting. You should see how long the line is. I promise, I lost signal with my drone flying to the end of it. It is so long, it's miles, like that way, and then it turns and it goes like this.
It's worse than Chick-fil-A?
Yes, like 10 times worse.